What's up? It's Wylie the werewolf, and I'm back with you today, or tonight, sorry, and to talk to you about something called place. There, you're messing this up already. Place value. Place value. And this is a really important concept to understand if you're working with money or food or food. And so let me give you some examples on place value. Now, let me see. The first thing you need to do is you need to find your decimal. And a decimal is just a little point. All right? So let me give you a couple examples here. You have this number, 330. Okay? There is a decimal in that number. Do you see it? All right. So it's not here, it's not there, it's not next to it, and it's actually invisible, but it still has a decimal. This is $330 or 330 donuts. And the decimal is actually at the very end. So the first thing you need to do is locate your decimal. Now, 330 is read 330. And this is a whole number. This is whole donuts, whole dollars. Now here's a little different number. Now on this one, you could see the decimal right away. It's not hidden. This one, hiding, not hiding. Hiding, find it, found it, not hiding. Okay, and this is actually a whole number and a decimal. And this is read 33 and, so anytime you see this, you say and. Anytime you see that, you see and. Anytime you see this, you say and. Say it 3 times. So this is 33 and 3, and we'll talk about this in a little bit, but this is actually hundredths. Confused yet? All right, I'm here to help you out. So let's first put our decimal. If a number's right here, it's what's called the ones. That's the ones spot. 1 donut, $1. If it's over here, it's called the tens spot. $10, 10 donuts. And we could keep going. Then you got your hundreds. And that's where you start putting your commas. The next one would be thousands, then 10,000s, 100,000s. Say it with me. Make sure you say no TH at the end, only TH on this side. So over here we got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. 100 millions, billions. So that's as far as I want you to go, billions on that side. See if you can write it on your own. Now on the right side of the decimal, you have your small numbers. Something very important is that although on the left-hand side it's ones, on the right-hand side there are no ones. None. There's no once. It's not there. Where's my other marker? There we go. Get really hungry. All right, can't hold these very well. So on this side, the first number after that is going to be your tenths. Now if you see, although I scribbled it a little, my nails interfere, it has THS. Tenths. So anytime someone says ths, 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 then you know it's on that side. And so this one, I'll try to write it better, hundredths with a TH. Got to get these nails cut. Hundredths. And at the very end, this is the longest I want you to memorize over here, and I'll draw an arrow so I can write it correctly, is thousandths. THS. Thousands. So you got your whole numbers on this side. You have your decimals on this side, and you got to remember where things are. Three more quick examples, and I got to head out because that moon is changing. Is that there's what's called standard form. And standard form is just what you see all the time when you go to the store. 34.14. You know that if you're going to buy a new Wii game or a new electronics game, $34.14. That's your standard form, what you see all the time. Now the other one is called word form. And this is actually put in words. So you would say 30, and I put a dash there, 34, and, or we said with that decimal there, you always say and 14, and then what you do is wherever the place value is, the last number, that's what you say. 14, say it, hundredths. Remember, once again, I put that TH at the end. So you got standard form, word form, and one more before I run away. It's called expanded form. An expanded form would be something like this. It's where you spread it out, you stretch it out. 300 plus 40 plus 2 plus 10 plus 0.04. And if you swish that all together, it'll come back to your original number. So the one thing I want you to remember is you got ones and tenths. Okay, and then you should be able to fill the rest out going outside. You got standard form, word form, and expanded form. Know these place values and you'll do real well. Well, we'll see you soon.